In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hear yourself speak in OBS Studio. Monitoring your microphone in real time is incredibly helpful for adjusting levels, catching background noise, and building confidence before you go live or hit record. Let's walk through exactly how to set this up so you can hear yourself clearly without introducing echo or feedback. Start by opening OBS Studio. Once it's up, look toward the bottom of the main window for the audio mixer. This panel shows all your active audio sources, including your microphone, usually labeled mic aux. If you have multiple microphones or virtual devices, make sure you know which one you actually use so you don't monitor the wrong source. Next, find your mic aux in the audio mixer and open its menu. Click the small menu icon next to the fader and choose Advanced Audio Properties. This opens a window listing every audio source in your scene collection, along with several controls that affect how each source is routed and heard. In that window, locate your microphone in the list. Move across to the column labeled Audio Monitoring. This is the control that tells OBS whether to send your mic to your headphones for monitoring, to your stream or recording, or to both. You'll see three options. Monitor off means you won't hear the mic in your headphones. Monitor only, mute output, lets you hear yourself, but your audience won't hear that source. This is great for private checks or rehearsal. Monitor and output sends your mic both to your headphones and to your stream or recording, which is ideal when you want to hear yourself while actively streaming or capturing. Choose the mode that fits your situation. A quick tip: to avoid echo or feedback, always monitor with headphones, not speakers. If you enable monitoring and still can't hear anything, open Settings in OBS, go to Audio, then find the Advanced section. Look for Monitoring Device and choose the headphones or audio interface you actually have connected. Click Apply or OK to confirm. After that, speak into your mic and watch the mic aux meter move in the audio mixer. You should now hear yourself through the selected device. If the sound is too loud or too quiet, adjust the mic fader in the mixer or the volume on your headphones. Keep an eye on the meter to avoid clipping. Staying in the green to low yellow is usually best. That's it. With audio monitoring configured, you can confidently fine-tune your voice, reduce background noise, and go live knowing exactly how you sound.